How to use MyCase mobile legal app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most attorneys assume the MyCase mobile app is just a convenient extension of their desktop software, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that reduce efficiency, miss deadlines, or compromise client communication. The first mistake is not syncing the app with desktop data. Without proper synchronization, case updates, deadlines, and messages can be missed. Beginners who skip this step risk errors in client management. Another common error is underutilizing communication tools. MyCase allows secure messaging, file sharing, and notifications. Beginners who ignore these features may slow client responses or create confusion. Many users also fail to set reminders and alerts. The mobile app can track deadlines, court dates, and tasks. Beginners who don't use reminders risk missed filings or appointments. Neglecting document access and collaboration is another pitfall. The app lets you view, edit, and share files securely. Beginners who fail to use this feature may lose efficiency or delay casework. Finally, some assume the mobile app replaces all desktop functions. While powerful, beginners who rely solely on mobile may miss advanced features or reporting tools. To use MyCase mobile properly, sync data, leverage communication tools, set reminders, utilize document management, and combine mobile with desktop features. Avoid these mistakes, and your legal practice will run smoothly, even on the go.